What is SEO and why does it matter? Hello, and welcome to the Shahan Behkamrad educational podcast series. I'm Shahan Behkamrad, an entrepreneur and digital marketing strategist. In this episode, we are going to explain SEO in a clear and practical way. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the process of improving a website so that search engines such as Google can find it, understand it, and trust it. When someone searches for a product, service, price, or solution, SEO helps your business appear in the results. In simple business terms, SEO helps the right people discover your company at the right time without paying for every click. But SEO is not only about bringing more visitors to a website can receive thousands of visits and still generate no customers. The real goal is to attract qualified visitors, people who are genuinely interested in your services and may be ready to contact you, request information, or make a purchase. Google normally works in three main stages. First, it discovers your website pages. This is called crawling. Second, it studies and stores information about those pages. This is called indexing. Finally, when someone performs a search, Google compares different pages and ranks the ones it believes are the most useful, relevant, and trustworthy. Successful SEO has three main pillars. The first pillar is technical SEO. This includes website speed, mobile performance, security, clear site structure, and making sure search engines can access your pages correctly. The second pillar is content and on page SEO. This means creating useful pages that answer real questions, match the user's search intention, and explain your products or services clearly. The third pillar is authority. Authority grows when respected websites mention your brand, link to your content, or recognize your business as a trusted source. SEO is also different from paid advertising. Paid advertising can make your business visible almost immediately. However, when you stop paying, the visibility usually disappears. SEO takes more time, but it can build a long-term digital asset. A strong page may continue attracting potential customers for months or even years. Real SEO results do not normally happen in a few days. In the first stage, technical problems are fixed. Then, search engines begin to understand the website better. Over time, rankings, qualified traffic, inquiries, and sales opportunities may begin to grow. Today, SEO is no longer limited to traditional Google results. People are also searching through artificial intelligence tools such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Google's AI powered answers. These systems also look for clear, useful, and trustworthy sources. For this reason, a strong SEO foundation can also improve the chances of your brand being mentioned or cited in AI generated answers. There is one final point every business owner should understand. No SEO expert, company, or agency can honestly guarantee the number one position on Google, a fixed amount of traffic, or a specific level of revenue. SEO improves the conditions required for visibility, trust, and growth, but no one controls Google's final results. SEO is not a collection of tricks. It is a long-term process that helps your business become easier to discover, easier to understand, and easier to trust. And when the right customer finds your business at the right moment, that visibility can become a real business opportunity. Thank you for listening. This episode was prepared by the Shahan Behkamrad team based on trusted business and digital marketing resources. Follow the podcast for more practical lessons about business growth, SEO, branding, digital marketing, and artificial intelligence.